Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology.
Hello everyone, my name is R Geetha. I am working as an assistant professor from the Department of Information Technology in Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology. Today we are going to see a topic, abstraction in Java. So what is abstraction? Basically it is a one type of OOPS concept. So OOPS concept, there are four pillars are there: abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism and encapsulation. In that four topics, one type is abstraction. So abstraction is nothing but hiding the implementation details and showing the functionality to the user. So let's see a real-time example. First example is TV remote. Let's take a TV remote. We can able to switch on, switch off the TV, and we can increase the volume, decrease the volume, anything. But we don't know how it internally works. So we can able to see only the functionality of TV remote, how it works. So it hide all the implementation details. And second real-time example is sending message. So sending message from one person to another person, it can be delivered. We can able to see the delivered message and we can able to see the sent message, but we can't able to see how it internally works. So these are the examples in abstraction. So hiding all the implementation details and showing only the functionality to the user. Next, there are two ways to achieve abstraction. One is if we have 0 to 100% of implementation idea, we can use abstract class. If we don't have any implementation idea, we can use interface. So let's see the syntax for abstract class and abstract method. Abstract class, we have to use the keyword abstract. So abstract class, class name. So this is the syntax for abstract class. And abstract method, here also we have to use the abstract keyword. So abstract void print status. So print status is the abstract method here. I have given a semicolon here because it is unimplemented method. Unimplemented method is nothing but we don't provide any implementation details. That what I have discussed here. So if we have partial implementation, we can use abstract class. So first we have to declare the unimplemented method. And next class we have to show the implementation for that unimplemented method. So let's see the example for abstraction in Java. First I have declared a abstract class. Class name is abstraction car. So I have declared a keyword as abstract. So this is a abstract class, public abstract class abstraction car, and I have given a two unimplemented method. Unimplemented method is nothing but I didn't provide any implementation methods. So one is engine secret. It is a unimplemented method. So I have used the keyword as abstract. And second method is company vault. So these two are unimplemented method. So I have used the keyword abstract. And then void implementation method. So this is the implemented method. So I have given the implementation details here in system.out.println. System.out.println is the syntax used to print the statement in Java. So whatever we have given in the system.out.println, it will be printed in the output. So implementation method is the implemented method which provides some implementation inside the block. From this, abstract class can contain both implementation method and unimplemented method. And second class I have created is BMW. BMW is nothing but child class. Abstraction car is parent class. So in abstraction we use inheritance concept to extend. So BMW can extend the methods, variables in the abstraction car class. So I have used the extend keyword. From this, abstraction car contain two unimplemented method. So these unimplemented method I going to implement in BMW class. That's why I have extend it. So public void engine secret is the unimplemented method. Now I going to implement it in BMW class. So the implementation is system.out.println BMW engine secret. So this is the implementation detail for engine secret. Company vault is the another method. So I have implemented it as system.out.println BMW company vault. both the unimplemented method is implemented in this BMW class. And next, public static void main string argument is nothing but it is a main method in Java. So compiler always starts in the main method, and we going to create a object for BMW class. We can't able to create object for abstract class. That's why I am created object for BMW class. Class name object equal to new class name is the syntax for object creation. So using this object, I going to call the implemented method. So object dot engine secret and object dot company vault. So I am calling those methods using the object. Now what will be the output? So if I call the engine secret method, the BMW engine secret will get displayed. And if I call the company vault method, the BMW company vault will be displayed. So this is the output. From this, first I have created one class, abstraction car, and that class contain unimplemented method. So I have only showing the functionality, just company's vault and engine secret is the functionality. I am just displaying the functionality in the first class, and in the second class I have inherited those methods and I have provide some implementation details. So I am hiding all the implementation details in the second class called BMW and showing the functionality in the first class, which is abstraction car. So this is the abstraction, hiding all the information details inside the child class and showing the functionality in the parent class. So this is the abstraction. And abstract class, so in abstract class we can't able to create object, that's why we creating object for child class. And abstract method, so in abstract method it can contain both implementation method and also unimplementation method. And there are few rules we have to follow when we use the abstraction method. So for first rule is an abstract class must be declared as a abstract keyword. So if we create a class abstract, we have to declare the abstract keyword, and if we create a method we have to use the abstract keyword. And the second rule is it can have both abstract method and non-abstract method. So it is nothing but implementation method and unimplementation method. So abstract class can contain both implementation methods and unimplementation methods. And third one is it cannot be instantiated. It is nothing but we can't able to create object for abstract class. In the previous example, we can't able to create a object for abstraction car. If we try to create object for abstraction car class, we'll get an error. That's why we have created object for BMW class. And fourth point is it can have final methods. So we can use the final access specifier for the methods. And fifth one is it can have constructor and static method also. So we can use constructors and statics methods in abstract class. Thank you.